Welcome to this informative video, where we will discuss navigating international travel, specifically crossing the border into Canada, with a civil restraining order. We aim to provide crucial information to help you understand the situation and offer practical advice. Here is the agenda for the video. We will start with understanding the situation, followed by key considerations involving a civil restraining order, and dive into advice and suggestions for navigating these challenges. Let's get started. In this section, we aim to understand how having a civil restraining order can affect your decision to cross the border into Canada, especially if you hold a 10-year green card with no criminal charges. A clear criminal record does not automatically ensure entry into Canada. When considering crossing into Canada with a civil restraining order, there are three key areas to focus on: the nature of the restraining order, particularly if it relates to public safety concerns, the specifics of any potentially related criminality, and the dynamics of land border crossings, which could still lead to denial of entry. Navigating these legal nuances requires specific advice. Consulting with an experienced immigration lawyer who knows both U.S. and Canadian laws is a smart step. Organize your documents carefully, remain truthful with border officials, and be aware of potential outcomes. Consider alternatives if traveling isn't immediately necessary. Now, let's test your understanding with a quick question. What should you do if you face a civil restraining order and plan to cross into Canada by land? Is it A, ignore the restraining order; B, consult with an immigration lawyer; C, avoid all travel to Canada; or D, attempt the border crossing secretly? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. As a summary, ensure you understand how a civil restraining order impacts your ability to travel to Canada. Preparing by consulting a skilled legal advisor, organizing necessary documents, and honestly interacting with border officials are paramount. Evaluate if an alternative plan is needed until getting further clarity. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. We love hearing your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment below. Your support helps us create more informative content. Stay safe and informed.